Hi there. So I just came home and the 8296, as you can probably hear, is screaming. So an error occurred 1 hour and 30 minutes and 59 seconds into the testing. So, reader. Now let us see. Oh. It is still. It's funny, because supposedly this has been backing up. Oh yeah. Well, many times for a while. So, everything in the directory on drive 0 looked okay. But drive 1, it came up at a typical sort of, this didn't work for me kind of thing. But that does not mean that this is the great failure I've been waiting for. It could be. But I don't believe it. I think it was just one of those times it just didn't manage to back up properly. But we'll see. We will see. Certainly, if it does it again, that is a sign. It is. So we are down to one chip. One single chip. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, we have 9 sitting here on the House of Computers 2031. And I'm suspecting that if this carries through, that we will swap it. We will. It is cold in Toronto today. It is. And it'll be a cold day in hell before I figure out what's going on here. So it's funny, I forgot to put in a little bit of text that said backing up. Right now it says, because I had put in a time delay to let it okay, what's going on? Okay, it seems to have backed up. Anyway, I put in a time delay to let things go, but since I didn't take that out, I've remarked it so it doesn't happen. If you're not sure who that is, first of all, it's good to put remarks in programs. They don't do anything, but they tell the people who look at it afterwards what you had in mind. But also, if you want a line in there, but you don't want it to work right now, you can just put rem at the beginning, and it'll leave it there. You can always wipe that out. So, time to turn off the drive. The big failure has not happened. So, the last thing here is this chip up here. I don't know what it does, but I know it's coming out. At least I think it's coming out. It is putting up a good fight. That's right, sometimes it is just hard to get that that little initial bit of space. I think I have that. I don't particularly like that little screwdriver. Ah, okay. So we're coming out. And we're out. What do we have here? Moss 901 467 Bow 1. So I'm going to put that in its proper configuration down there. And then, let's see if I can get it out of here. Oh yeah, this one's coming easy. Not too easy. Alright, how are we doing here? Alright, we have the chip. Good. The pins look good. If you'd like to have a look here, there it is. And the pins all look good. So, it's strange in this configuration. Oh, it does not feel right. I'll try. The bottom. What I try and do, I'm trying from the top again, is get one side completely in and then put a little pressure sideways to get the other side. Ooh, this is challenging. I'm going to go for the glasses. So all those pins are good. Now we give a little push. And we're in. And we turn the drive on. And we type run. So it is reading. Of course it would, wouldn't it? It is now, as it would say on the screen, resting, but it is not. It is really backing up. Excuse me. I was outside. It is chilly. So, what else is there to say? It's going to test. It's probably not going to fail. And I'm going to be most perplexed. I'm thinking more and more that the next thing I'm going to do is take all these tin chips, carefully laid out just so, and put them in that sucker. But that is another story.